up, guys? Back for another little video today. We got this E46 M3 race car out here. Another one just got dropped off, and we got to make a little pull on this thing. It was hitting the quarter panel, so this thing is sick. Let's go take a look at it. Man, this is a tight one. that's gonna do it for this video, guys. It was a quick one today. The E46 race car didn't need too much. It just had some sheet metal damage to the right side rear, so there was no real painting involved, just pulling some of that sheet metal out to straighten it, and then putting some new seam sealer in there, and then it's gonna get wrapped back over. So just want to show you guys that car because that thing's pretty sick. I'm not really sure what the production numbers were on those, but that is a factory BMW M3 race car. I know those things came in white, but they come factory caged, just how you saw it. And then I think it was Turner Motorsports that did the whole thing in blue and whatever. The car looks good. I love the blue and yellow combo. But yeah, that's it for that one. And then the red one, we were waiting on some parts, so that thing's getting finished up within these next couple days, and then I'll be putting that video out too, so you guys can see the painting process and all that, and we can ship that one as soon as it's done. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.